Hi, today we're going to talk about how to convert a Notion form into PDF files on automation mode. In this demonstration, I have advanced directive form created over here with some of the details that are put inside this particular form. So once the user fills in all the details in this form and they click on submit, the response will come under the responses view in the database that we have over here. I've already added two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files on automation. So what we will do is we will fetch the information from the database and we'll utilize a Google document which will be converted to PDF file on automation with this information. So this automation tool helps you create PDF from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. You can create any form of reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that you're planning to generate in your business with this automation tool. Let's click on create PDF and let's quickly sign in, and then we will understand how the automation will work after that. So I'm going to quickly log in over here, and then I will show you how to create the exact automation steps within the dashboard. So the first thing which we need to do once we log in is we need to add a Notion database to the setup screen. So this is the database which I am currently using, which I need to add. So what I need to do is I need to click on add Notion database. This will allow me to add the database. And meanwhile, I will copy the database title which we have over here. So I will just simply copy this title and I will be using this inside the selection screen to add it. So we can click on select pages from here and then put the title inside the search pages, and then the database will be added from the options that are available. So I'll just click on this and the database is now added up. Click on allow access, and now you will get access to the advanced directive form which you can use for the automation steps. So let us wait as it is loading the same in the drop down, and if it is not visible in the drop down, simply click on reload database once or twice and your database should definitely appear in the drop down right over here. If it takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience. But if you click on reload database once or twice, you should be definitely able to see the database appear in the drop down. So you can see it is appearing over here. Now, if you scroll down, you should be able to see all the database properties appear one below the other in this particular section. The next step is adding a document to the setup. So click on add Google document. If you already have an advanced directive template available on your drive, click on existing document option and choose the advanced directive template that might be available on your drive. Okay, I don't have any document available as of now, so what I will do is I will instead add a new demo document. The moment I add a demo document, it will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically visible over here. So you can see every placeholder of the database already showing up right inside the document. We have birth date, we have health agent, we have patient name. All the fields that you see inside double curly brackets are coming from the database that you see over here. Okay, so this is the database which we had added, and if you closely observe, all the fields inside the database are already showing over here inside double curly brackets. So when the PDF will be created, all these fields inside double curly brackets will be mapped with the database values, and they will be replaced with the values from the database. So the patient name will be replaced with the patient name column that you see over here. Similarly, the health agent will be replaced with the health agent value that you find over here, and so on for all the other fields. If you want to add any property onto the document, let's say you want to add care preference onto the document, click on copy, go to the document where you wish to add it, simply use Ctrl V or Command V on your keyboard. It will automatically copy paste the property into the document. So you can just simply edit the document and simply add the property as it is. Let's say you want to add the health agent, click on copy and paste the property onto the document, and the same is added right inside the document. So you can copy paste any property from here onto the document directly, it will be instantly added. Once everything is in place, we need to define how the PDF file will be named. Okay, so I want to generate the PDF file by the patient name that we see over here. So what I will do is I will select the patient name from the drop down, and all my PDF file will be named as per the patient name column that you find. Once this is in place, what we can do is click on download PDF, and now you will be able to see the PDF file come up inside the Notion database right in the PDF file column. Any record which is marked as ready to generate will be converted to PDF file, and it will be stored inside the database that you see over here. This is the power of using the PDF output tool, as all the automations happen directly within the database and the document is created right within the database itself. If you click on this, you should be able to see all the PDF, and they have been created with the corresponding placeholders. So we created this PDF document with the placeholder values, and we created this one as well with the placeholder values. So we created two documents with all the placeholders in place as it was required. Now, if you want to automate this process forever, click on Setup Notion Automation. And once you click on Setup Notion Automation, this will trigger the automation to generate the PDF forever. which means you do not need to set up the database, you do not need to set up the document and do all these mappings, as everything is in place. And once you click on set up Notion automations, whenever the user click on submit and the new entry appears inside the database, simply turn it as ready to generate and the PDF will be created within the database for your requirement. This makes the process super easy and simple and convenient to use, as all the automations happen directly within the database. As the moment you mark it as ready to generate, it is converted to PDF right over here. So I would recommend, whenever you are using PDF output and once everything is added up, simply click on setup Notion automation. And once the user clicks on submit and a new entry appears, simply change it to ready to generate and the PDF will be created for you within the database. This is the power of using the tool PDF output, as all the processes happen directly within the database when the PDFs are created. I hope this explanation is clear to you. If you have any questions on the same, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address any of the issues which you might be having. Or else you can go to the bottom of the home page where you will be able to find the contact section. Click on this and you should be able to send a message from the contact window that is available over here. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automations available. But that was it from my end of the demonstration. I hope this demonstration was helpful to you, and you can see it has started processing this document as well, which will be soon converted to PDF file and stored in the database. This is how the automation happened, and the database